Welcome to my new channel. Today we are cleaning this very dirty Volkswagen Polo and basically putting a sealant on it to help protect it and give it more gloss. Basically I filled up my wheel bucket with water and a bit of shampoo that I don't use anymore, and I'm basically just rinsing the arches and rinsing the wheels. We always start with the wheels first. Then I spray a bit of wheel cleaner. This is Turtle Wax wheel cleaner. It has built-in fallout remover and wheel cleaner at the same time. I'm using this barrel brush by Easy Detailing. This is a pretty good wheel brush. It's also got bristles on it, so it's really good at getting into tight areas like in this Volkswagen. Then I've got this wash mitt that I specifically use for wheel cleaning, and then I go around the wheel with my detailing. Here I'm spraying APC up the arches. Basically I did this on the other side of the vehicle, but unfortunately I think something might have happened with the recording, or I just forgot to record it. I think I might have pressed the button twice by accident, but yeah. Here I've also picked up this like kitchen cleaning brush from B&M, and this is absolutely perfect for cleaning arches. At least from here it seems pretty alright. I haven't had any problems. Well, it's my first time using the brush, and it seemed to do pretty well. I was going to buy a arch cleaning one, but I thought, you know what, I'll be a bit of a cheapskate for now and just get this one, and it literally is perfect. It came with 3 brushes, and it also came with one that was quite good for doing the tyres, so I have ordered a tyre brush, but yeah. I'm spraying APC again, but on the tyres. And now I'm going in with my new kitchen brush as well. This round one is actually pretty good at doing tyres, and as you can see, it's actually getting quite a lot of the dirt up from the tyre, even though you can't really see much dirt on the tyre, but you can see it starts to go brown, so that must be quite a good product. Unfortunately, I don't have any tyre dressing in this video, but I will be getting some. Basically spraying more APC as basically a pre-wash to help break up all of that stubborn dirt. Now we've got the fun, satisfying bit now. So basically using Infinity Wax pH balanced wipeout snow foam. And I really like this snow foam. It's pH balanced, which means you can use it on ceramic coatings, you can use it on sealants and it won't harm it. And you can also use it in direct sunlight. While the snow foam is drilling, I like to go in with my detailed brush around the badges, around the windows, and all of those crevices and stuff like that. I don't know, I think it's just a nice added touch, just something to do while you're waiting for it to dwell and pick up all that dirt. After I've rinsed off all of the snow foam, we're basically now going to move on to do the 2-bucket wash method. So basically filling up my 2 buckets, we're using Infinity Wax Pure Shampoo, which is also pH neutral. No waxes added, and we're just basically pouring in to the buckets. Now the reason why I prefer no added waxes is so it doesn't trap any dirt or anything like that. You always want to apply waxes and protection after, like we're doing now. Basically, yeah, we want to work in straightforward motions, no swirls. But yeah, basically 2-bucket wash method works by dipping it into a dirt bucket with a grit guard and then putting it into a wash one before you use it. We use 2-bucket wash method is because basically all the dirt gets trapped underneath the grit guard. So basically all the dirt is in that sort of bucket, and then you get less dirt on your actual wash mitt when you're actually washing the car, so you don't rub it in, preventing scratches and swirls and stuff like that. We also do top to bottom, so we basically do the least dirty parts first, then move on to the more dirty parts, which same goes for that reason, preventing dirt on your micro. We also use microfiber, plush microfibers instead of sponges. Sponges can cause scratches, so it's a lot better just to stick with a microfiber wash mitt. Next I'm going to be using some gtechniq glue and tar remover. Just spray it on some of the tar spots so I can get rid of it. After I've sprayed it all down, I'll then dry the car with a microfiber towel. Microfiber towels are probably one of the best things you can use to dry a vehicle without causing any scratches. Just straightforward motions. Now I'm using the iron fallout remover, which basically should help decontaminate the car, ready for gtechniq ceramic sealant. Just give this 3 sprays, wipe on a buffing cloth. Also make sure the car is dry before you do this as well. So make sure you, after you rinse it off, dry it all off because it works better on a dry car. Then after that, grab a plain microfiber without any of the sealant on and just buff it all off. It's literally as simple as that. Once you've applied all that, you should have some good protection. So as you can see, you've got good rip resistance. I get the seal approval from me. And yeah, it basically makes dirt stick less, makes the water a little bit more water resistant, and basically gives you a bit more gloss as well and protects your paint. But yeah, that is a cheap way of protecting your paint. Hope you enjoyed this video.